friends, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the fruit trolley. Light green color in pear. First we draw the fruit. This video is very interesting. Please full watch this video. Pear. Red color in apple. Orange color in pumpkin. Red color in heart. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Kids, our beautiful fruit basket is ready. Subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.